Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix that couldn't connect Bluetooth Windows 10. To start in the search engine, you will enter the word Services. In the results, click on Services. In this window, you will select the Bluetooth Compatibility service line. There, you will double-click on the service. Next, you are going to assign the automatic value in the Startup Type field. Click Apply and Accept to save the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now click on the Start menu and click on Settings. There, go to the Devices section. After this, turn on the Bluetooth switch. When activated, it is now possible to see the Bluetooth icon in the taskbar to access it. If for some reason you do not see the Bluetooth icon, you are going to go back to Settings and within Bluetooth and other devices, click on More Bluetooth options. Now you must validate that the Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area box is active. Apply the changes if necessary. Now it is possible to use Bluetooth in Windows 10 with all its functions if you need it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.